How do you spot a financial scam?
Wow. Do you know, this is a very good question. Thank you so much for asking because the scams have increased over 200% after COVID, which is shocking.
And they're getting better.
Yeah, they're getting better and smarter. But as a rule of thumb, if something sounds too good to be true, it's a fraud. A lot of people say, and I say this on my Instagram, they say, we can guarantee you a return of 36%. Scam. Nobody can guarantee any returns on anything. And if it's too good to be true, it's because it's not real. And I say to people sometimes, do you want to learn how to be rich slowly? Because that's what I'm going to teach you, how to be rich slowly. Nobody wants that, Dorian.